Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial series of Python programming. In this tutorial, we will learn about operators in Python. What are operators and what are the operators that are used in Python? Let's start with the division operator in Python. Python only does division when both operands are ints. At first, let's try using operator module given with Python for division. Just look over here. It's like this one. If we provide a equal to 2 and b equal to 4, then you can have a look. If you try for operator dot div b5 a, yeah, you can have a look over here. If you try for true div, you can see that the exact value will arrive here, just like 2.0. That point value will also arrive over here. If you try doing the floor div, you can see here the point after the value point here is not shown over here. Now here in division there are two type of performance is occur as you seen here. If you try using the floor div, you will not get the value after point. Just like you can also try the division without importing this operator, just like over here. If I assign just like you can do like this, a divide by, yeah, v divide by a. You can see over here the value has arrived over here. This is the true div. If you simply give a single slash, then it will gives out you the true div. If you provide double slash, it will give out you the floor div. This is the better way of being. As in regular use, we will do the division like this, not like from this approach. This one for division. Now after the proper understanding of division, let's try for addition. In Python, addition is easier. You can simply add two integers. Let's try using the operator module for addition also. Input operator, then you can just try for this one 5, and just you can write operator dot add a comma b. You can see over here the addition is done over here. You can also simply do a plus b over here to get the addition value of two integers. For addition, you can also like write like this. If you do like this, oh sorry, not like this one, you can do like this one equal to a plus a. Oh, sorry, here 1 equal to 2, b equal to 3, and you can do a plus b like above. For this addition or plus operator can also be used for to concatenate list and tuple. Just like if you try this one 3 plus 2 comma 3 comma 4, you can have a look over here. These are two list of data are concatenated at the same place. Now after the addition operator, now it's time for exponential. Exponential operator simply means the power to any value. Just like if you have two integer a and b, just like here, if there is two integer a, b equal to 3, if you give it to the power b, you can see over here it gives the proper output. Or you can also use pow a comma b just to get the same output. Now let's try doing like this one by importing the module over here, just like operator over here and operator dot pow ab. Yeah, you can see over here it gives out the same output. In the above example, it is of built-in power. Let's also have a look look for math.pow module. You can have a look over here by from the math module. You can see over here, if you do like this one also, you will get the power of the value. Yeah, this is for the power. Let's have a short try for this some sort of like math value like square root and other. So just small try for that square root, how you can find square root of a certain number in Python. You can have a look over here just using the math module. You can try this one, put math. Yeah, if you provide c equal to 16, you can find math.sqrt or the assign variable. Yeah, you can see over here the square root of the 16 is 4. You can let's try another example also over here. Find if c equal to 20, math dot square root of c. You can have a look over here. The square root of 20 is this one. In this operator chapter, we will not be looking over the trigonometric function and entails operation in this tutorial. So now let's try for the subtraction in Python. Let for subtraction, let's define just two variable over here. It's like a equal to 1 and b equal to 4 over here, and you can simply do b minus a over here, and it gives out you output of 2. Now let's try doing like this operator in through the operator, importing the operator. You can try like this one, import operator operator, and you can do like operator dot subtract a b from a, and you can give the same output as like this one. Subtraction is much simple, and this much stuff will help you to carry out the subtraction over the any data. Let's try another one example for simply for subtraction. Just like if I try for a equal to 2 and b equal to 1, and if I do b minus a, you can see over here the negative portion is also. Now after the subtraction, let's try to move towards multiplication. Let's first into to multiplication, let's use the already defined variable above there. Let's try for that one. If I try doing like this, a into b, you can see over here 2 into 1, it gives out 2. Let's try creating another assigning values to a and b variable. It's like over here, if I do like this one, you can see over here 4 into 4, it gives out 16. Just like this one, we can also use this operator over here to do that one. Just like over here, I simply import the operator like that for subtraction and addition. Just mul, oh sorry, import dot mul a comma v. Yeah, you can have a look over here, the same output for this one and this one appear over here. This asterisk operator or the multiplication operator also used to concatenation, also used for concatenation of string, list and tuples. Like you can see over here, if I just try for this one av, you can see over here it will print av 3 times over here. Like other operator, we can also use modulus operator to gives out the perfect output. Just like we have modulus operator over here. You can have a look over here. This is also one of the operator used in Python. You can do like this. And for this multiplication, you can also use this modulus operator like by importing the operator module. Yeah, operator dot mod 3 comma 4. Yeah, see here the same output has been derived. But for convenience and for fast writing the program, we just use 3 modulo 4 to gives out the output. We can also do modulo for the negative number, just like if we try for the this one, you can get out the proper output of the modulo. If you want proper output of any other value, just like if you want quotation and remainder of the properly non-divisible number, just like for 4 and 9, if you divide 4 and 9, if you divide 9 from 9 by 4, you can see over here how we can do that and get the quotient as well as remainder. Let's try doing this one. Okay, quotient quotient comma remainder equal to just a deep mode. Yeah, you can have a look over here. If you try for this one, you can see over here, if you want quotient from this one, you get the 2, that is 4 2s are 8, 4 2 8, and you will left the remainder will be 1. So how you get the remainder is just by doing this, like you will get here 1 is the remainder, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. This is the perfect way of finding the remainder and quotient, or by simply dividing using this deep mode module, which is the inbuilt type of method provided by the Python. This much for the video series for this operator. For now, we will look for bitwise operator, or like a NOR or and so on in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you understand this video. Thank you.